Well, hello, beautiful people. And today's vlog is going to be all about shopping with me at Dollar Tree. We are going to see what they have in store for their fall and Halloween decor. And so, if that is something that you are interested in, then definitely keep on watching. All right, you guys. So, I'm going to be honest with you. When I came to this Dollar Tree, I was definitely disappointed. Literally, you guys, we have about 15 Dollar Trees in our area, and this one didn't have that much, but I still recorded just because I wanted you to kind of have an idea of what they have. Now, they do have these lights, which I thought was neat because they do have the little Christmas trees that you can use with it. They also have some bows for Halloween, and I believe I've seen these bows before. They also have these stickers and different treat bags. So if you are the type that likes to do treat bags, keep that in mind. I love this keep out tape. I think I may end up getting this for my front door. I also have a stay away, and I believe that one says danger. And so yeah, keep that in mind if you're the type that likes to do something subtle and simple for your Halloween decor. Another thing that they have is these yard signs, and they also have these cute little wooden signs. I think these are so cute. However, I try and do mine on my own, so I like to DIY mine. But if that's something that you don't want to do, they definitely have that for you. Now, I seen these cute little wreath holders. Now, I did see these in Michael's, but Michael's was more, of course, you know it's going to have that Michael effect. But if you're looking for a cheaper option, then Dollar Tree is your place. I also love this deco mesh. And they also have these cute little ornaments for your Halloween tree. I'm noticing that that is becoming a big thing as the years go on and on. They have these little small ones right here, so you can definitely decorate them with a garland and all of the things that make your Halloween heart smile. They also have these larger ornaments. So if you are in the market for a bigger Halloween tree, they have them here. And keep in mind, they range from $1.25 on up. They have your Halloween ribbon and then just different arts and crafts. So if you have Halloween parties or you entertain, then definitely this is the place for you. I am obsessed with their ribbon, even though there's not enough on the spool, but hey, the ribbon is super nice. They have these window clings, and then moving on to some of the fall stuff. Y'all, they did not have that much fall stuff, but there are some things that you can DIY with those little pumpkins that I showed you. There's several videos on YouTube that show you how to do it, so keep that in mind. They also have these cute little fall yard signs. And so if that's something that you're interested in, then you already know Dollar Tree is your spot. Now, if you are into using deco mesh and making your own wreaths, they have these wreath wires here. So keep that in mind when you're trying to decorate. This is the only place that I get my wreath wires from. Now, I blinked for 2 seconds and was like, oh my goodness, there's more stuff here. Still not a lot, but there is some. They have these styrofoam pumpkins. Those are $3. They have the lanterns. Those are $5. And then these little pictures right here. And so you can definitely stuff those with flowers or whatever the case may be. Or you can stuff them with pumpkin picks. But they do have a lot more on this aisle. They also have these plastic light up pumpkins. Those are $5. Then, y'all, I am so obsessed with these right here. They're like little drink containers. And so if you're having a party or if you're entertaining little ones, you can give them their own little spigot and they can have that themselves. They also have all of these like just metal, different Halloween attire. And then they also have your lights. And so Granted, they don't have as much as what I would like, but they did have some things. And I am loving these candles here. Remember, I showed you guys that they had candles at Michael's that were way more expensive, but these here at Dollar Tree are only $5. Also, you guys, don't forget about the inflatables. They do have inflatables here. And then they also have, like, you know, just the little cliche Halloween items that you can have, or you can DIY, whatever your heart desires. But like I said, we have quite a few Dollar Trees in my area, but this one definitely was not impressed. They didn't have too much in the store, so hopefully when I go visit another store that they do have more. But that's all for this vlog, you guys. Let me know what is some of your favorite things that you've seen in this vlog, and then also let me know if your Dollar Tree has way more stuff than this one here. I would love to hear about it all in the comments below. But that's going to be it for this video, you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.